this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up for the first time if you purchased your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of things that you want to do before or as soon as you simply go ahead and get the phone. So the first thing is going to be by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then swipe up on the Hello login screen, then select your language and country. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi signal if you haven't already. You can also simply head into your settings and then head into Face ID and passcodes. And this is exactly where you can set up your Face ID and password for the brand new phone. If you have a old phone and you want to choose to restore from the iCloud backup, transfer directly from the old phone and move data from Android or set up as new. It is as simple as that. Those are the steps that are going to go ahead and help you with your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.